Hello my dear family members, today we'll discuss some recently asked actual algebraic questions in TCS NQT. So without any further ado, let's start with the first question, that is this. So please pause the video and try to solve the problem. If 25a to the power 4 plus 20a square plus b square plus 16b to the power 4 is equal to 75 and 5a square plus 4b square minus 2 root 5ab is equal to 15, then what is the value of ab, right? So this was previously asked and this is repeated question, right? So please, I hope you will pause the video and give the answer before I give, right? Okay, so let's start with the solution. So as you can see, there are two equations are given, right? So we can use this equation and we can implement that in this first equation, right? So we can represent the first equation as 5a to the power 5a square to the power square plus 16b to the power 4. We can write this as 4b square square plus 20a square b square, right? So now we can represent this like a square plus b square, right? So a square plus b square formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So minus 2ab, if we do minus 2ab, 2 multiply 5 square multiply 4b square, this become 40 a square b square, right? And already this was there 20 a square b square. So if we calculate this, then this becomes minus 20 a square b square, right? Minus 20 a square b square. So we get that 5 a square plus 4 b square to whole square minus 20 a square b square, right? So we can write this equation as like 5 a square plus 4 b square is equal to 15 plus 2 root 5 ab, right? So we can just put this value to here, right? So 15 plus 2 root 5 ab, right? So 15 plus 2 root 5 ab, we will put this value in place of 5 square plus 4b square, right? Minus 20 square b square. Just remember that 20 square b square is present here, right? So let me implement a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so a plus b whole square means a square plus 2b plus b square. So a square means 15 square, that means 225, plus b square means 2 root 5 ab square, that means 4 5s are 20 a square b square and 2ab, that means 2 multiply 15 multiply 2 root 5 ab, right? So 30 multiply to 60 root 5 60 root 5 ab, right? Okay, now there was already a minus 20 a square b square, right? Minus 20 a square b square. So this 20 a square b square and this 20 a square b square just cut out, and the number becomes total 225 plus 60 root 5 ab, right? And this is equal to 75, right? So this is equal to 75. So what will be the value of AB? So AB will becomes minus 150 by 60 root 5, right? So 6 cut out, 3 to the 60, 6 and 3 5s are 15, and root 5 cut out, and the answer is minus root 5 by 2, right? So this is the shortest way I can follow to solve this problem. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. So next problem will be a quiz problem. So I hope you will give that answer, right? Okay, so the quiz problem is this: if x is positive integer 24 by x plus 2 minus 72 by x minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 14, then what is the value of x square plus 3 by x square minus 3, right? So what will be the value of that? So I hope you will give the answer of this question. Please give importance to this type of question because this is real question, right? So this is real question which will be asked in exam, can be asked most probably, right? Because these are the repeatedly questions which these are the repeatedly asked question, right? So I hope you will give the answers. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. So the next problem is this: so what value will come in place of the question mark in the following question? 3 by 5 divided by 5 whole 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is equal to question mark minus 1 by 3. So I hope we will pause and give the answer. Okay, so let me solve the problem. So let me say that the question mark is x, right? So 3 by 5 divided by 5 whole 1 by 3, right? So we can write this as 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 16, right? And minus 1 by 5, right? And there is a minus 1 by 3 in the right side of the equal. So I will bring that in the left side. So this will become plus 1 by 3. So the whole number becomes, so let me just remove this. Okay, 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 16, this becomes 9 by 80, right? So this becomes 9 by 80. Okay, so let me just take the LCM of the denominators 85 and 3. I hope the LCM will be 240. So 5 16 1 3, right? Sorry, yes, 3. So this becomes 240. Okay, so 240. So 83 are 240, 3 9s are 27, minus 5 48s are 240. So 48 1 48 plus 3 80s are 240. So 80 and 1 80. Okay, so now this number, so 80 plus 27, this number becomes 107, and 107 minus 48, this number becomes 59 by 240, right? So this is the answer. So already ticked answer was not correct, right? So I hope you understood, right? So this is very simple question, but this type of question are asked in TCS NQT, so you must have to give importance to all the questions, right? Okay, so let me show you another type of problem, that is a quiz problem for you. So the question is this: if 4x square plus 16y square minus 12x minus 40y plus 34 is equal to 0, then find the value of x plus y by x minus y. So the options are 11 9 5 and 6. So I hope you will pause and give the answer of the question, right? So this is the last question of, actually my phone's battery is very low, so I have to stop the video. So I hope this much of discussion is also very much helpful for you. So if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding TCS NQT or any company that you want. Okay, so thank you for today's session.